Lily's special gift. Lily was a cheerful girl who always had a big smile on her face. She loved making others happy and always spread joy wherever she went. One morning, she woke up excitedly. It was her best friend Mia's birthday. She wrapped the gift carefully and ran happily to Mia's house. When she arrived, Mia opened the door cheerfully. "Happy birthday, Mia!" Lily said joyfully. Mia opened the gift slowly and gasped happily. "Wow, a beautiful bracelet! Thank you, Lily," she said gratefully. The two friends played happily all afternoon, laughing loudly and running quickly in the garden. It was the best day ever.